This is the Indonesian persimmon. Here it's called Kesemek, a fruit that is native from China and Japan. In Korea, they tend to use it as a vinegar. So they ferment it and they make vinegar out of it. Which is very interesting because for us, we work a lot with fermentation. I think it can be very interesting to use such a fruit. It's a very rich fruit. It's rich in potassium. Leaves can be used for tea. The seed can be roasted. I think it's something that definitely worth trying and very sweet. And this one is not ripe. The ripe one tend to be softer. If I can describe the taste, I would say a little bit like prune. But yeah, I think it can be good as a jam or definitely a vinegar. I understand Koreans. Yeah.